Moral values. First lesson, an insignificant task. So here in this lesson, children, whatever the task is assigned to you by the teacher, either by the teacher or by the parents, you should do the task with the entire satisfaction and with sincerity. Okay, here in this class, the teacher she used to assign some task to the children during the first week of the term. So here on that day, every boy and girl was given a job. So here this term also the teacher allocated some task. So here the pupils who had been the most responsible during the previous year were given the good task because they did that task very perfectly the previous year. Okay, so one among those students is Rita. She was a very kind and quiet girl, and also she was very sincere. Okay, so and she is having a very good respect on her teacher, and she used to do her work very perfectly. All children, they knew that Rita was the favorite to be given the best job of all. This year, each child received one of the normal jobs like preparing the books or the radio for the lessons, telling the time, cleaning the blackboard or looking after one of the pets, etc. But Rita's job was very different. She was given a little box containing some sand and one ant. And even though the teacher insisted that this ant was a very special ant, Rita could not help feeling disappointed. That means Rita was little bit disappointed because every year she will be given a very good job because she is very sincere. But this year she was given a small ant and she was asked to take care of that ant. So she was little bit disappointed. But she had good respect on her teacher. So she decided to do her job with full satisfaction. Most of her classmates felt sorry. They sympathized with her and remarked how unfair the job. But even her father was very much upset. He did not like that job which was given to Rita, that is to his daughter. So he got angry with the teacher. But Rita did not feel anything. So she decided to do her job very well. So Rita now what she said was, I will turn this little task into something great, Rita said to herself. Even though the task was very little, simple, but I want to do it like something great, she decided. So she started investigating the ant and she learnt about the different ant species and its habitats and behavior. And so she started giving quality food to the ant. And at the end, it grew little bit bigger than anyone had expected. Okay. And then next, one day in spring, they all were in the classroom. The door opened. There, the teacher introduced a man. This is Dr. Martinez. The doctor's name is Martinez. He came with a wonderful piece of news. What is that? So, he said that the results of the competition, that this class, that is Rita's class, has been chosen to accompany him on this summer journey to the tropical rainforest. Why? Because this credit goes to why her class was selected, because this credit undoubtedly goes to Rita. So all congratulated Rita. This is one which has best care for the delicate little ant. Okay. So that day the school was filled with joy and celebration. So everybody was very happy. All these happened because of Rita. The whole class, including the teacher, congratulated Rita, because even though she was given a simple task, that is taking care of the ant, she did it very patiently and she was very responsible with that. She learned the ant species, its habitats, behavior, and he fed the ant with some food. Okay, quality food actually. So apparently it was the smallest task, but she has won. She proved it. Again she said, I will turn this little job into something really great. Yes, she did it. That is what this lesson says. Okay, so from this, children, what moral do you learn is, any task, if it is given, any job, if it is given, assigned to you, either by your parents or by the teacher or by the class leader, whoever it may be, you have to do it with full sincerity and perfectly you have to do it. With full responsibility, you have to finish it off the job. Okay, whatever it is, difficult task or simple task, don't feel bad. Even though it is very simple, you do it. Next time you will be given a better chance, better opportunity. Understood, children? Thank you.